What's up, Cloud Life? I gotta make this video really quick because Twitter has a short span on what it takes to make a video, so I'm gonna get through this real fast. XRP looks like it's about to take off right now. I had to get this video out before it does that, and I want to show you why I believe that might be the case right now. Let me go ahead and flip that. So we are trying to break this current level of resistance. This is the weekly level of resistance, this whole zone here. We have about a minute and 48 seconds before this candle closes. If we could maintain above this candle and close above this candle, we will be very good. Another reason why, if you understand the Ichimoku system, it gauges momentum. Chiku span is free and above price. The Kijinsen and Tinkinsen are angling up together, and secret span A and B are up together as well. So we need to get above this level right here, and then we will take off for now. That's what I'm seeing. Let's look at the other indicators. We have momentum on our side on the ADX, which is pretty good. We had a buy signal recently on this last candle here, and you see prices what it's trying to do right now. So hopefully we could close above this level in the next minute, which will be a good indication of prices going higher. Let's see the 4-hour time frame. We are well above the cloud as well. Kijinsen and Tinkerson are angled up right in here. Let me show you guys real quick. These are angled up. A is angled up and B is angled up, and Chiku span is well above price. So prices are going up. So I'm not saying buy XRP right now, but it looks like it's trying to take off right now. And I have it coming up to the 75-cent level if that's the case, which is our next resistance. So that being said, peace out. God bless you guys and see you in the next video.